So far we have just done single lines of code. We press enter and the turtle will execute that code immediately. So now we're going to use something called subroutines. So subroutines are named procedures, named tasks for the computer, and they can have more than one command in there. So to do these, we're going to use the add all. So down here, click add all, and it always starts with to and end. So we're just going to get rid of those to start with, and we're going to type in capitals just because it keeps it consistent with what we've done. So we're going to explain to the computer what a square is. So it's saying to square, to draw a square. We need that repeat for square brackets, FD space 200, RT space 360 divided by 4, close the bracket, and then we say end. So we're also going to explain to the computer what black is. So set pen color, then a space, 3 zeros for black, and end. So on each of these, the end is really important, otherwise the computer will think this is part of being able to draw a square. So we need the end to separate them out. When you close this later, the computer will put them into alphabetical order. It doesn't matter, so don't worry about it. You can type the red one out, or we could just copy that using Ctrl-C and Ctrl-V, double click there, and let's change the parts that we need. So we've got our 3 commands there. So we go File, Save and Exit, and it brings us back to here now. So now we've been given a set of commands here, so we're going to build with these. So clear screen. Then we're going to tell the computer this time to use black. So the importance of that is you can use RGB codes, people who are not programmers can't. So now they can just use the command and the computer knows what they mean. We're also going to now tell the computer to do a square, and then we're going to bring the pen up. We're going to do our right turn of 45 degrees. We're going to go forward 100. We'll put our pen down, and now we can combine these. We're going to tell the computer to do a red square, and because we explained all of that in add all, the computer knows what a red square is. So again, screen print this one, take this code. Now it's a little bit more complicated this time, so what we're going to do, copy that into here, and we're on task 6. So we're going to paste that code there, but also let's try and get our subroutines in. So we're going to here, click add all, highlight those, copy them back to our PowerPoint, and we paste these in. If you start having problems with fitting this in, it is in quite a large font, so you can just highlight and just take it down. A 14 will be more than big enough, that will be fine. Don't forget to save the PowerPoint again.